So here we have an arithmetic series. Our first term is 20, the second term is 19 1/3 plus 18 2/3, which is the third term. So the sum is giving us a value of 300. We need to obtain the total number of terms. So let's begin. So here we are going to first rewrite a given series. So our first number is 20, which can be also expressed as 60 divided by 3. This will become evident in a moment when I'm using 60 over 3. Then 19 1/3, this is going to be equals to 58 over 3. And then 18 times 3 is 54. 54 plus 2 is 56. So we are going to get 56 divided by 3. And so on. And this is a sum. So let me take the sum here. This adds up to give us 300. Now, this is going to be the first term. So here, the first term is going to be 60 divided by 3, or simply 20. And we have a common difference. The reason why I took 60 over 3, so it will become easier when we subtract the first term from the second term. So we have 58 over 3 minus 60 over 3. So this is going to give us a value negative 2/3. So this is going to be a common difference. Now, and it's given here that the sum up to n number of terms, this is having a value of 300. Now we're going to use the formula that Sn is given by n over 2 multiplied to 2a plus n minus 1 times the common difference d. So Sn, this is given as 300. So we have 300 equals to n over 2 multiplied to 2 times a. So a is 20. So 2 times 20 is going to be 40. Plus n minus 1 multiplied to negative 2/3. So let's solve this. So this is going to give us an equation in n. So we have 300 multiplied to 2. So this is going to be 600, which is equals to n multiplied to 40 minus 2/3 of n plus 2/3. So this is giving us 600 equals to n multiplied to 40 plus 2/3. So 40 times 3 is 120. So we have 122 over 3 minus 2/3 multiplied to n. So let's multiply with n. So we're going to get 122 over 3 times n minus 2/3 multiplied to n squared. Rearranging the terms, we're going to get 2/3 multiplied to n squared minus 122 divided by 3 times n plus 600 equals to 0. So here what we're going to go to, we are going to take 2 over 3 as the common factor. So we're going to get n squared minus, so 122 divided by 2, that's going to be 61. So we have 61n plus 600 divided by 2, it's going to be 300. 300 multiplied to 3 will be 900, which is equals to 0. Now we know the 2/3 that cannot be equals to 0. So we have n squared minus 61n plus 900. That's equals to 0. And when we factorize this particular quadratic equation, we should get n minus 25 and minus 36. That will be equals to 0. So that means n could be 25 or n could be 36. Now we'll try to understand what's the meaning of getting two n values. Here, if we look at our original series, so we are seeing that our fraction, so each term is diminishing. So there will be a point when this particular fraction is going to become negative. So there will be some negative values. So we'll have 60 over 30 plus 58 over 3 plus 56 over 3. There will be certain terms here which is going to be negative here. So we are going to get some negative values, and if we take the sum from the first term to the 25th term, so we are going to get the value 300, and also beyond 25 we are also going to get some positive and negative numbers. So if we go up to 36 as 36 value, then we are still going to get 300. So that means the sum up to the 25 term as well as the sum up to the 36 term, this value is going to be equals to 300.